Hey guys, so today, I know, Netflix in the back. So today I'm going to be cleaning it's called a Shark vacuum. The bottom pieces, because like, it used to be full and now it's getting cleaner. You're gonna wanna take this out. You'll see. This is how much I got out already. You're gonna start by taking out the fluff. Here, the fluff out of this. I'm gonna take this out and get one of these things, and you're just gonna go under it and then try to capture all the hairs by pulling out. But I already did that. And then now you see all these. The sides on this is very, very dirty, so you're just gonna wanna poke it in with that like this. Oh, look at all that hair. The sides are so dirty. And don't worry, if it breaks, it's fine. Just get another one. Or use the other side. Look how much hair I've already got. I can't really like pause on this or anything. So you guys are gonna have to stay with me and just do that. Or pause the video and then skip. Oh, there you go. This is so nasty. My auntie got it from somewhere. I don't know if she bought it or not, but whoever she bought it from or got it from had a bunch of hair. And don't worry, I don't have COVID. Sorry, I'm just trying to get all the stuff out. Okay, I think all the bristles, oh god, never mind. Oh, there's so much on the other side. It's trying to hide from me. It's trying to hide it from me. There we go. I think we're done cleaning that. I think we should just clean this one now. This one doesn't look like it has a bunch of hair on it. I'm trying to get everything out, but there's nothing there. There's nothing. Just dangling in there. I don't see anything else, so I think it's done. Just try to get every little thing. Everything with this, because this thing just scoops it up. Especially my idea with this, because you can just go under. And then just grab it from up and then bring it up. Get some scissors. And yeah. Now I'm going to show you how to close it back in. So if you're wondering. Okay. There. Okay. So this part, it looks like it goes back in like from there. It's not even close. You're going to want to get the front part. You're going to want to get it like that. And you're going to want to get this part inside first. This part, the one that does not see front, inside this. And then just insert it. But, hold up. Yeah, there. Insert it like, just like that. Insert. Now it won't come out. It's very soft. Softy. And then we have this part. I don't like that because it had so much hair on it. It was even more, but I do not want to get that. This part's good because when like you vacuum and there's like little bitsy itsy parts that you don't want inside it and it'll break it, it just collects it before. And then you just plug it in. Get your knife or whatever you have and lock it. Twist, twist, twist. See, it's everything. Everything the exact same, opposite, opens it and closes it. So yeah, and now this side's nice, this side's nice. Yeah, check the sides. Like this is neat. This is neat right here. It's good. Look at these bristles. You're gonna want this again to check. This one might not work with this, but yeah, I got something. And especially this too. This stuff will never not really come out. Like the wheels, they don't work as well. But it's okay. Now you see I've cleaned this. It looks good. Let's try to and then once you turn it on and you go like this, it's gonna immediately on this light, it's gonna turn green or red. The red, I don't know what that means. Green, I don't know what that means, but I think green means it's clean and it's ready to work. And you'll hear noises. But I think it's red, that means, yeah, it don't work. You have to clean it out because that's what's happening. So I'm gonna test it out like right now. Plug it back into its home service. Okay, I plugged it back in just by popping it on. I'm going to put this back in. I just, boom. I have this version, so it looks more nicer than the actual shark version. We're going to test it out now. I have to put away these ones because I used 30, but you don't need to. Now, let's test this out. It's green. It turned red. So, I don't know. Okay, it was green, and then red, and then, I don't know. Let's check the inside, guys. Okay. I'm gonna check it open. I'm gonna open it. It got a bunch of dirt, but it didn't get enough of it. You guys have probably already know about this, but these shark things, they don't work really perfectly, but they look perfect. It's like, it's giving it a start. Hop it off, go on the side, floor nozzle, put it up, bring it up, put this down, and then you're good. Too much hair. And then, will you look at that? More hair. See, this is why I don't recommend it. Look. No good. And now I just got another Brussels. Look.